Do you ever look at your bank balance and wonder, where did all my money go? You did not buy anything huge, yet somehow your account feels empty before the month even ends. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. The truth is, most people do not lose money because of one big purchase. They lose it through small, sneaky habits that drain their wallet bit by bit. But today, I will show you how to stop that once and for all, with 5 simple ways to stop wasting money and start keeping more of what you earn. Welcome back to RichMap, the channel that helps you master your money, grow your savings, and build the financial freedom you deserve. If you have been trying to save but cannot seem to get ahead, make sure to stick with me until the end, because these 5 strategies will help you identify your money leaks and fix them for good. Let's dive straight into it. The first way to stop wasting money is by cutting out mindless spending. We have all been there, scrolling online, seeing a flash sale, and convincing ourselves that we need something we did not even think about 5 minutes ago. Those impulsive buys, whether it's a new gadget, a trendy outfit, or that random kitchen tool you saw on TikTok, can quietly kill your savings. The best way to fight this is to create a 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something that's not a necessity, wait 24 hours before purchasing it. Most of the time, the urge disappears, and you will realize you did not actually need it. Also, try unsubscribing from marketing emails and turning off app notifications from shopping sites. They are designed to tempt you. By removing the trigger, you reduce the temptation, and your wallet will thank you. The second way is to stop wasting money on unused subscriptions and services. Think about it: how many streaming platforms, gym memberships, or apps are you paying for right now? Do you really use them all? A lot of people pay monthly for services they completely forget about. Take 5 minutes today to review your subscriptions. Go through your bank or credit card statement and cancel anything you have not used in the past month. If there are subscriptions you still want, consider sharing plans with friends or family. For example, a shared Netflix or Spotify account can easily cut your costs in half. And remember, even $10 a month adds up. That's $120 a year you could be saving or investing instead of wasting. The third way to stop wasting money is by planning your meals and avoiding food waste. Food is one of the biggest hidden money drains. How many times have you ordered takeout because you were too tired to cook or did not plan dinner? Or worse, bought groceries that ended up in the trash because they went bad before you used them. That's money literally being thrown away. Here is what you can do. Plan your meals for the week. Make a grocery list and stick to it. Shop with purpose. Avoid buying random snacks or just-in-case items that you will probably forget about. Also, cooking at home can save you hundreds of dollars a month. You do not have to become a chef. Even simple meals can make a big difference. And if you love dining out, set a specific fun money budget for it. That way, you enjoy your favorite foods, guilt-free, while staying in control. The fourth way is to stop paying unnecessary fees. You'd be surprised how much money people lose to things like late fees, overdraft charges, or ATM fees. These might look small, but over time they add up fast. The good news, they are completely avoidable. Start by setting up automatic payments for your bills so you never miss a due date. If your bank charges monthly fees, call them and ask if they can waive them. You will be shocked how often they do. And when withdrawing cash, use your bank. Set EMs instead of third-party ones that charge extra. Another hidden fee trap is interest on credit card debt. If you are carrying a balance month after month, you are giving away free money and interest. Pay your balance in full if you can, and if not, focus on paying down high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Now, the fifth and final way to stop wasting money is to buy with intention, not emotion. So many purchases are emotional: stress shopping, boredom shopping, or buying something because it makes you feel good in the moment. But emotional spending almost always leads to regret later. Before you buy anything, ask yourself 3 questions. Do I really need this? Will this add lasting value to my life? Could I get it cheaper or secondhand? If the answer to any of those is no, put it back. Learn to separate wants from needs. And if you struggle with emotional spending, give yourself a spending limit for once each month. Maybe 10% of your income. That way, you can still treat yourself without blowing your budget. Now, let's take a quick recap of these 5 simple ways to stop wasting money. Cut out mindless spending. Avoid impulse buys. Cancel unused subscriptions and share the ones you keep. Plan your meals and reduce food waste. Eliminate unnecessary fees and interest charges. Buy with intention, not emotion. If you start applying these 5 strategies, you will notice an instant difference in how much money stays in your account. It's not about living cheaply. It's about spending smarter. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can go towards something that truly matters. Your goals, your peace of mind, and your future. And remember, saving money does not mean depriving yourself. It means giving yourself the freedom to make choices without stress. When you stop wasting money, you gain control. And that's the real power of financial freedom. Now, I want you to do something right after this video. Take 5 minutes to review your last week's spending. Look for just one area where you are wasting money. Maybe it's takeout, subscriptions, or late-night online shopping, and make a small change today. That one change could save you hundreds by the end of the year. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to RichMap for more practical money tips every week. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that could save or make you money. Comment below and tell me what's one thing you are cutting back on starting today. I would love to hear your goals, and maybe even share them in a future video. Thanks for watching RichMap, where we help you make smarter money moves and build a roadmap to financial freedom. Until next time, keep saving smart and spend with purpose.